आओ पागल हो चुकी हो। एक कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आज, क्या खरीदना चाहती हैं आप?
तो हम जनवरी में लास्ट सरोजनी गए थे और बिकॉज ऑफ पैंडेमिक हम कितना एक साल हो गया, 10 सालों के बाद वापस सरोजनी जा रहे हैं।
एंड वी हैव टू गो टू दिल्ली हाट एज वेल।
हम जाएंगे सरोजनी, वहाँ से दिल्ली हाट। और पॉट कहाँ से मिलेगा? पॉट वाली जगह जो तुम बता रही थी
वो वहीं से मिल जाएगा, कहीं दोनों मार्केट के आसपास में। सही, तो विल गो एंड
राइट। हम लोग दिवाली के लिए बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करने वाले। बाहर की आवाज़ आ रही है। हम दिवाली के लिए बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करने वाले हैं और बहुत कुछ खाने वाले हैं। और ये जो लड़की है इसके ब्लैक कपड़े, इसके ब्लैक वार्डरोब के लिए कुछ कलरफुल कपड़े लेने वाले हैं इस बार।
तो सरोजनी में आपको इस साइज और इस साइज दोनों के कपड़े मिल जाते हैं।
राइट।
ओनली 50 में दे दूं मैडम? 50 का है। इसको टर्बो करे तो यूट्यूब को खाली खींच खींच ले जा।
long have you been waiting for this? नहीं है अच्छा?
Hey guys, so we are back and it's almost a week later that I'm recording this haul for you because obviously हम इतनी जल्दी ये clothes try नहीं कर सकते थे. I've left them at the entrance with all the disinfectant spray and everything and waited for 3-4 days to try them on. But guys, to be honest, I would suggest, in fact I would request not to visit Sarojini or any such market right now because वहाँ बहुत रश था. मतलब you won't believe, मैं सुबह 10 या 11 बजे गए थे हम वहाँ पर और उसके बाद भी इतना रश था. I can't even imagine कि शाम में वहाँ क्या हो रहा होगा. तो यार मत जाओ भैया. ऐसे भी इतना रश देखकर वी डिड नॉट एंटर इनसाइड द मार्केट कम्प्लीटली. ये हमने बाहर जितना भी शॉपिंग कर पाए हमने किया. And let me show you what I've got. Okay, so if you go to Sarojini, if you know how Sarojini market is, you would know how crazy the prices this market will have, right? Let me begin with the most expensive thing that I bought from there was this jeans for 250 rupees. I always wanted to have a jeans like this in my wardrobe and I love this. This was for 400 rupees and I've got this for 250. Bargaining skill, see? And this beautiful top I paid the least for 20 rupees. Can you believe? But मेरे पास exactly ऐसा एक top हुआ करता था and I bought that from Dubai H&M for I think some 35 or 40 dirhams. That too after discount. I think 40-50% discount कुछ तो भी चल रहा था. It was 2 years ago. तब ये लिया था और ये मेरा गुम गया and I was so upset for losing this top. फिर मुझे ये दिखा. I like this one, but इसमें एक ये छोटा सा mark है. कहाँ ये? See, a mud mark or something. I'm not sure. पता नहीं. तो मैंने ये रिजेक्ट कर दिया था. I didn't want to buy this. He was selling this for 100 rupees. मैंने बोला नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए. एक मैडम ले लो 50 में ले लो. चलो मैंने कहा नहीं भैया ये क्या ही करूँगी, इसमें दाग लगा हुआ है, पता नहीं धोने में नहीं गया तो क्या करूँगी ये वो. एंड सर अच्छा 20 में ले लो. And I'm like 20? Okay. And I picked it up. Let's see, I'll wash it and see if it goes. Otherwise I can style this up inside the jacket or something also. This is pretty. And I've got this beautiful top. I can style this up with jeans, any western clothes and also with sari. और आप अगर देखोगे इसमें पूरा embroidery work है. It's so pretty. I mean अगर आप ये बाहर कहीं boutique वगैरह में लेने के लिए जाओगे you will not find this below 1000. तो yeah, this was a smart purchase. And I've also got this shirt, jeans ka denim shirt. I have one though, but then this was for 100 rupees. I thought it's okay because the one that I have is almost 2 years old. So I thought I should have one maybe in my wardrobe. So I've got this one. And this is also a very beautiful purchase. At 100 rupees, come on, you would never find a denim shirt in 100 rupees, right? So this is what. And another denim purchase, I've got this jacket. This was also for 250 rupees. Can you believe? 250 rupees. And I've got another jeans that I'm wearing right now. This was just for 100 rupees and this has a beautiful fit. So yeah. And I've got some woolen clothes. I've got this sweater for just 150 rupees. This is so nice, so comfortable to wear, and this will go with any jeans, loose or tight, anything. I think this will look very good. And there's another sweater. Very comfortable. Too good to wear also. So yeah, that's another purchase. And this is one that I'm wearing. It was for 100 rupees again. Oh, this was also for 150 bucks. 100 rupees. So I've got like so many things in 11 or 1200 rupees. I also bought this beautiful jhumkas from there. It's just 100 bucks. And look how beautiful. Already wore them for Diwali. As I told you, we did not enter the market completely. This is all that I have got from the outer circle of the market. Imagine अंदर और भी कुछ मिल सकता था, but it's okay because बहुत भीड़ थी and it was not at all safe to get inside. We did not buy so much from Delhi Heart, just some personal stuff and eatables, because obviously if you visit Delhi Heart after Sarojini on the same day, you would not feel like buying anything from there because that's quite expensive comparatively. Alright, I hope you liked this vlog today. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe. Take care. Have a happy Sunday. Bye bye.